Vukani. Shiyani phansi date if you are on a date. Wozani, shiyani washing. I know it's a weekend in the Awasha. Shiyani washing, shiyani mapoto. Wozani, Umakwela just got a new car. Wozani. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Reality Buzz TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. Listen, you guys, how excited was I to just be on Instagram and there is my Quella receiving the delivery of her car. Kaze kamnandi kamseleku, guys, kaze kamnandi kamseleku. Nazo-ke makhwela, nazo-ke, hhayi indaba yokuthithiza lana uloku uncenga ukuthi ufuna iy'moto zakho halfway wathi ama-brand deal kaMakhumalo la. No, girl. Pave your own path. Get your own deals. You know, get your own brand deals. Uhlale kamnandi, udle kamnandi. Listen, okay, the fact that you have to deal with that man, okay? You deserve it, okay? You deserve all of it. Anyways, you guys, congratulations to Makwela. We love it on this channel when girls do it, okay? When girls do it, okay? We hope ukuthi umseleko ngeke one day athi konke lokho nako kungenxa yami. Siyambongela uMakhwela bakithi, yazi I can't wait for next season ngizwe ukuthi bazothini ngale car brand deal kaMakhwela. Finally, girl, finally. Now we just need a stylist. We are almost there. We just need a stylist for next season and you'll be fitting right in as a number 5. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Go into the comment section and tell me what you think about this whole Makhwela gets a car situation. I love it, okay? I love it for Makhwela. Thank you so much. Goodbye.